Hey everyone, it's Nick Geo. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about my new plan to eventually be able to build a gaming PC. And I've talked about wanting to build a gaming PC for a while now. I have another video that I'll link in the description where I talk about it, and I feel like I'm getting pushed in that direction with the streaming and seeing how fun PC gaming is, and then this recent thing with my Xbox where I basically won't be able to play it until I move out and when it's on a new router because this new Comcast router that my dad won't change, it doesn't really connect to that, I should say, my Xbox. So what I did is it was on this desk right here, and I just dismantled it. I took the or the computer monitor down as well. So I have a lot of space now on the desk, which is nice because I am in a couple of classes right now. So it feels better to do work here. Now, I had thought about selling my Xbox, all the parts, because it's the Xbox, the custom controller with some buttons on the back, the Turtle Beach headset, Modern Warfare disc, and that's about it. I was thinking of selling those things. I was thinking of selling this laptop to pay for a PC, but I thought maybe that would have been too much of a rash decision, and I should probably wait until I know for sure if I want to sell those things. Especially the laptop. Like, I'm going to need this laptop until I get a PC up and running. I also didn't want to just go out and spend $1,000 or $1,500 on PC things when I'm not making too much money. I mean, I make a couple hundred each week with tennis lessons because I teach tennis lessons every day, but it just psychologically felt not good if I was spending money from my checking account. So, so I had a good solution. I am now going to really work hard in Prolific and in CrowdTap. Prolific is a study website. It's a lot of academic surveys and things like that, and it pays about $10 an hour. And CrowdTab is just individual questions usually, or just short multiple choice questions. So I'm going to use those and just try to get all the way to $1,500 because then I would feel good about, okay, I worked hard for this PC, and also I don't feel guilty because I wouldn't have really been making this money anyways. Because the problem with those websites is that I kind of got burned out from them. During the last couple of weeks, I haven't been on them that much just because I felt like, well, they only pay $10 an hour, so why would I do this when my time might be more valuable? But I think I realize now that it's easy money and it's tax free and it's a way to get to $1,500. But the issue is that it's probably going to take about 125, 150 hours to get to $1,500 because, like I said, the survey website Prolific is about $10 an hour. And I'll link a video I made a couple months ago about Prolific and CrowdTab and some other things. So I'll do that. And yeah, it's good that because I felt lazy, so now I'm doing it again. On Prolific, I'm at around $20 right now. And on CrowdTap, late June, because every $5 you make on CrowdTap, you can cash it out. So I have a $5 gift card for Amazon because some of the computer parts for a possible computer I saw on PC Part Picker are from Amazon, so it's okay to use CrowdTap. So that's about it. We'll see where this journey takes me. I'll probably, in my Twitter, which I'll link down below, I'll probably just tweet at the end of each day just how much money I'm at on Prolific. So I hope everyone has a good rest of their Sunday, and I will see you all tomorrow with probably a Twitch highlight. All right, bye.